This is Yuvraj and you are watching my YouTube channel Yuvraj Burewale. I welcome you all to my class Functional English Grammar, kinds of sentences based on function. In the previous class we have discussed the topic the sentence, and the link of the previous class the sentence is given below in the description. If you want to watch the video, you can click the link and watch it. Now we are going to discuss a topic on functional English grammar, kinds of sentences based on function. So let's start today, kinds of sentences based on function. There are 4 kinds of sentences based on function, and they are assertive or declarative sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Let's understand first assertive or declarative sentences. An assertive or a declarative sentence states or says certain facts. It can be an affirmative fact or a negative fact. Here, an affirmative fact means a positive fact. A fact may be a positive one or a negative one. All these facts are the statements of assertive or declarative sentences. So all these are the statements. Dear learners, let's see the following sentences. I am a teacher. This is an affirmative fact. I am not a teacher. This is a negative fact. She is great. Affirmative. She is not great. Negative. Today is beautiful. Affirmative. Today is not beautiful. Negative. So we have understood that an assertive or a declarative sentence states or says certain facts, and the facts may be an affirmative fact or a negative fact. If it is a positive fact, it is known as an affirmative fact, and if it is a negative fact, it is known as a negative fact. But all these facts are the statements of assertive or declarative sentences. An assertive sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Dear learners, let's understand imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command or a request or an advice or a suggestion. Don't go there. It is a command. Keep silence. It may be a command or an advice. Please wait there. It is a request. Get up early in the morning. It is a suggestion. So all these sentences are imperative sentences. Dear learners, once again remind you that an imperative sentence gives a command or a request or an advice or a suggestion. An imperative sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Learners, let's understand interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Dear learners, let's see the following interrogative sentences. Where do you live? The sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. How are you? The sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Where are my books? The sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Why do you wait there? The sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Learners, always remember that an interrogative sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Dear learners, now let's understand exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feelings of joy, pleasure, anger, sadness and surprise. Dear learners, let's see the following exclamatory sentences. Oh, what a misfortune! Alas, the beggar is dead. How kind of you! What a shame it is! Dear learners, we have understood that an exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden feelings of joy, pleasure, sadness and surprise. Dear learners, always remember that an exclamatory sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Dear learners, in the next class of Functional English Grammar, we are going to discuss a topic on the use of sentences and the importance of a verb in a sentence. Dear learners, the notes of Functional English Grammar, kinds of sentences based on function are available in the description of the video given below. And you can write the complete notes of the topic from the description of the video given below. Thank you very much. Dear learners, keep watching my videos, help and support my channel, like, share and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the bell icon to receive all the notifications of my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for your kind support and cooperation. Thank you.